Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to animate text on Canva. So let's head straight into that. So now I'm on the home page of Canva. I'm going to create um, like an empty sheet, whatever size you guys want. I'll just pick this size for now. Okay, waiting for it to load. Okay, so since I want an animated text, so of course it's gonna be a clip, so there's gonna be a timer. So this one, for example, the duration for it is 5 seconds, as you can see. You can extend it, make it 10 seconds if you want, whatever you guys like. So let's go, for example, and add a text box here. Let's increase the size. So let's just type background, I guess. Let's just type that. Okay, I'm also gonna add another text here. So let's just type flowers. So those are two texts. I'm gonna put this here and put this here. Okay, so I'll click on this first and then I'll click on animate. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down here and then you can see there are a lot of options like typewriter, shift. Okay, some of them you have to pay for them, so you can clearly see if something needs a subscription or not. I'm just gonna go for the free ones for now. So there's this one looks nice. There's also like the timing that you want the animation to happen. So do you want it in the beginning of the clip or at the end of the clip? So I'll just click both, I guess. You can even choose direction, but this needs subscription. So there's this as well. There's a lot of options. There's many options you can go for. You can also go for the page, so not just the text, like you're actually animating like the whole thing. So if you look at this or this, it looks like it's animating the whole page, or this. So there's multiple options, as you can see. How do you make sure that, for example, you want this first text to appear and then after that you want that to appear? So what you can do here is just click on it, and then over here you can just minimize the duration, so it's only gonna appear in the first few seconds of the clip, and then for this one it's gonna appear in the final few seconds of the clip. So if you go back and play it, as you can see here, now time for the other one. So yeah, that's it. Let's take a look at the other options we have for the page here. So when I click on page, so for example, if I click on this, I think like both of the effects are inserted. So the effects for, like, say, typewriter, and then effect for corporate. Let's just take a look at that. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so it looks like the effect for text only was applied, but if I go to page, let's go back to text again. I'll click on typewriter, and then I'm gonna go to page and click on rise. Let's see what happens. Okay, so you can either choose to have an animation for the page itself or for the text itself. you can even choose to have it appear on click. So you can't choose both of them at the same time. You gotta choose like one at a time. Either like choose the text to be animated, or basically like the whole page, the whole thing to be animated. So I'll just choose the text. I'll go back here and click on typewriter. So yeah, and then you can even add effects to the word itself. So effects here. So for example, this or this. Let's increase the size. And then for this one, I'll increase the size as well and add some effects. Like for example, curved, or something that has a background. So there's a lot of options. It's up to you what you want to do. I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching.